Capturing high-quality action footage often requires more than just a capable sensor. It demands consistent and reliable illumination. Here we have best lights for GoPro action cameras.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have GoPro Light Mod. The GoPro Light Mod is the quintessential lighting accessory for users who prioritize seamless integration and a compact form factor. Designed to work perfectly with the media mod or to be used as a standalone light with various GoPro mounts, this official accessory packs a surprising amount of power into a tiny frame. It offers 4 levels of brightness, reaching up to 200 lumens, which is ideal for vlogging or illuminating close-range subjects in pitch-black conditions. One of its most valuable features is the overdrive mode, which provides a maximum intensity burst for up to 30 seconds when extra visibility is crucial. The light is waterproof up to 10 meters, matching the durability of the camera itself, and includes a silicone diffuser that softens the output to prevent harsh shadows on skin tones. Its rechargeable internal battery ensures that you do not have to fumble with external power sources while on the move. On number 2, we have Suptig LED Light. For those who require a more versatile and high-intensity lighting solution, the Suptig LED Light is a favorite among divers and nighttime adventurers. This light is famous for its incredible depth rating, often waterproof up to 45 meters, making it a superior choice for deep-sea exploration where natural light fails to penetrate. It features a high-power array of LEDs that produce a wide, even beam, which is essential for capturing expansive underwater landscapes or group shots in the dark. The Suptig Light is designed with a standard cold shoe mount and a tripod adapter, allowing it to be mounted alongside the GoPro on a dual mount bridge or directly onto a waterproof housing. With multiple modes including high, low, and a flashing SOS signal, it serves as both a creative tool for cinematography and a vital piece of safety equipment for outdoor excursions. Equipped with a high-capacity built-in lithium battery, the light fully charges in about 1.5 hours and delivers up to 60 minutes at maximum brightness or 120 minutes at the lowest setting. You can also power it continuously by plugging it into a laptop USB port or a power bank. Compact and easy to carry, it's designed for simple storage and travel. The included mounting bracket doubles as a grip for GoPro or other action cameras, handy for the kind of clean setup shots you've been creating for your desk scenes. On number 3, we have Soonsun Waterproof Light. The Soonsun Waterproof Light offers an excellent balance of ruggedness and utility, specifically catering to users who need a dedicated diving light that can double as a fill light for land-based photography. This unit typically features a high-capacity rechargeable battery that provides extended runtimes, which is critical for long sessions where recharging is not an option. Its construction is focused on thermal management, ensuring that LEDs do not overheat during prolonged use at maximum brightness. The Soonsun Light often comes with interchangeable color filters, allowing videographers to correct for the blue or green tints found in different water conditions without needing to rely solely on post-production software. Its mounting architecture is built to be compatible with the entire GoPro ecosystem, ensuring that it stays securely attached during high-speed activities like surfing or mountain biking, providing a steady and reliable glow in any environment.